ERC, quality service since 1972. Repairing TVs, console stereos, electronic musical instruments, pinball machines, arcade games, and more. Call 836-0454.
This is the afternoon edition of the Weather Xtreme video. This is for Wednesday, the 19th day of November. James Spann here. Cold, dry continental air covers the south. Another surge coming in here later this week. But next week, things might get interesting around here. Thanksgiving week, especially late in the week. Let's go right to some of the Skycam images around the state. And, of course, we are crystal clear on a sparkling, cool November day. That's our Tuscaloosa Skycam looking north at the top of the Tuscaloosa County Courthouse, down below the Hugh Thomas Bridge, connecting downtown Tuscaloosa and downtown Northport, U.S. Highway 43. In the Birmingham Metro, there's our Inverness Skycam on top of the Wingate Inn looking north, overlooking Highway 280. Off in the distance, you can see the summit. And how about a beautiful view of the Gulf of Mexico? Boy, that's nice. That's the Skycam on top of the Phoenix All Suites. And even see a few folks walking the beach on a sunny, cool, crisp day. Well, the trough is rotating off the East Coast, but another one is coming down the pike, and again, that's going to bring a reinforcing shot of cold air Friday. And, man, it's cold. Look up north in Canada. I see a bunch of temperatures around zero up there at midday. And the freeze line at midday is down into West Virginia and the mountains of Virginia. And around here, temperatures mostly in the low 50s. And, again, I think we'll see 50s tomorrow, but Friday the highs will drop back in the 40s with that next push of cold air. QPF chart, expected rain valid through Monday of next week, and this is hinting a little bit over northwest Alabama. It looks like it's going to be Monday night, really, before we see those showers in here, and I don't think it's going to be a big deal, but that will be the next chance of getting wet, late Monday and Monday night of next week, as you'll see. We'll look at the 12Z GFS. This is the global forecast system. If you're new to this, this is the primary American global computer model that projects weather out to 16 days. We kind of walk you through it. This is valid at noon tomorrow, noon on Thursday, about 18,000 feet off the ground. This is the 500 millibar level, one of our favorite levels to watch. And we note that we've got that strong vortex coming down around Des Moines, and that will be leading that next surge of cold air. Down below that, you can see a big old 1,044 millibar high nosing down into North Dakota. And again, tomorrow, sunny with a high in the 50, but on Friday, here comes the cold air. Highs will probably drop into the upper 40s with a chilly north wind. And Saturday, starting off the weekend, will be in the 20s, I think, Saturday morning, easily. And again, like today, we could see teens for the colder valleys. And during the day, Saturday, we'll see a high probably in the low 50s with a bright sunny sky. And same deal Sunday. We'll be around freezing at daybreak, highs up in the mid, maybe upper 50s Sunday. Now, let's walk you through Thanksgiving week. Everybody trying to get to Grandmama's house. Let's see how the weather's going to do. This is Monday. Pretty good-looking cold front there to the northwest of here. That's suggesting rain showers in Memphis at midday, and more than likely that comes in here late Monday afternoon and Monday night. So that's our next chance of showers. And by Tuesday, it's gone. So, again, a quick hit of showers late Monday and Monday night, probably a quarter inch or less. And a new surge of cool air blowing in here Tuesday with a clearing sky. This is Wednesday of next week, day before Thanksgiving, big travel day. And the weather map pretty quiet. Yeah, we'll have lake effect snow for Buffalo and Erie, but no major airport problems around the nation. Raining in Seattle, but it rains a lot up there. And around here, looks like we'll be cool and dry for that Wednesday. And Thanksgiving Day itself, Alabama looks dry. Perhaps a little warm up there with temperatures maybe getting up in the 60s where they should be. And we note a moisture return off to the west. We'll go to Friday, the 28th, big shopping day, day after Thanksgiving. Weather turns wet over parts of Alabama. We'll certainly bring in some chance of rain as we start to make the forecast for that day. It could be the heavier rain off to the west. Saturday, the 29th, day of the Iron Bowl. Looks kind of wet, doesn't it? With perhaps the most widespread rain north and west. And understand, hey, we don't have any skill in forecasting specific weather out here. This is just model output, but certainly it looks unsettled. And then on Sunday, the 30th, big trough phasing up to the west, and that could be a big rain producer. We'll go to the 1st of December, the next day, and that thing approaches, and that could be a big thunderstorm event, if that's right, maybe a heavy rain and severe weather, and just 12 hours later, yeah, rain changing to snow before ending. Hey, but again, we all know this is voodoo, but understand there's been very good consistency in this idea around the 1st of December. Now, how it all turns out, we just don't know yet. And then on the 4th of December, look at that cold look. Well, you goodness gracious. That's cold. That's cold. Snowy, cold, flurries there. We're going in the ice box if this is right. So once again, it sure looks like any warm-up we see in coming weeks will be short-lived as an amazingly cold pattern continues to unfold across much of the North American continent. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video today. We'll have notes on the blog. The next video here by 7 a.m. tomorrow. And, of course, we invite you to watch us on television this evening, ABC 3340 News at 5, 6, and 10. Again, thanks for watching. Have a wonderful evening, and God bless.